Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Get the Evo 4 driver or firmware installed, then connect the unit via USB-C to a powered port so it draws stable 5V. Once connected, plug your mic into the XLR input and headphones into the front output. Make sure Phantom is off unless you need 48V. You'll also want to choose sample rate in your DAW, 44, 1K or 48K, so audio syncs properly. These steps get you recording ready fast and avoid common connection issues. Now set input levels and routing. Engage smart gain so you get a consistent starting level, then tweak the gain knob while speaking or playing to avoid clipping. Next, configure the monitor mix. Blend direct hardware monitoring with DAW playback so you hear zero latency audio. If you need to stream or record system audio, enable loopback. Finally, set your DAW's sample rate and buffer size. Smaller buffers reduce latency, but increase CPU, so you're ready to record. Do a quick test and aim peaks around -6 dB so you have headroom for mixing. Once satisfied, record takes and export at your project's sample rate and bit depth. Leave heavy processing for post. If you hear noise or clipping, first inspect cables and connectors, then reduce gain or toggle phantom power. Also try a different USB port, update Evo firmware, and check grounding. These checks solve most issues and keep your sessions clean and reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.